Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wondered how to analyze your Instagram performance and uncover what really drives your reach and engagement, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a beginner-friendly Power BI dashboard that transforms raw Instagram data into powerful, actionable insights. By the end, you'll know exactly how to break down your posts, see which formats connect with your audience, and get a deeper understanding of your follower growth, all using Power BI. Let's jump right in. First, imagine you have collected data for your Instagram posts, things like the date, type of post, whether it's a reel, carousel, or image, and key numbers. Reach, impressions, likes, comments, shares, saves, and your follower count. We'll bring all this into Power BI. Think of this raw information as the ingredients for our dashboard. It's not just about one metric, but about seeing how everything connects together. Once the data's loaded up, the next step is to define some truly useful KPIs, or key performance indicators. Metrics like these help you move from just looking at numbers to actually understanding what's working. For example, we'll create an engagement rate measure. This tells you of the people your post reached, how many interacted in some way, likes, comments, shares, or saves. To do this in Power BI, you'll sum those interaction counts for each post, and then divide by the total reach. If you're writing the formula, it looks like this. Engagement rate equals the sum of likes, comments, shares, and saves divided by reach. This helps you see not just how many people saw your post, but how much they cared to interact, which is often a better sign of impact. We'll also add an average reach per post measure, so you can spot which post types get your content in front of more eyeballs on average. And for follower growth, we're looking at the difference between your first and last follower count in the data. This gives you a clear view of how your audience is expanding. Sometimes, a sudden jump means a particular post really resonated. Let's bring this all to life with some charts and visuals. First, simple card visuals for your dashboard to show at a glance totals, things like total reach, total impressions, and follower growth. These act as your dashboard headline numbers, so you can instantly see your biggest results. Next, use a line chart to visualize follower count over time. This trend is super helpful. If you see a sharp increase after posting a certain reel, that's a clear win. It's a bit like watching your business grow on a timeline. For comparing how different post types perform, a column chart works really well. Lay out reach by post type, and you'll usually see reels coming out on top. It's almost like a healthy competition between different strategies. Now you'll know which ones to double down on. A stacked bar chart is perfect for breaking down engagement. You can see for each post not just how many interacted, but whether they liked, commented, shared, or saved. Every post is like a recipe, and this chart helps you see which ingredients, types of engagement are strongest. Finally, include a table that pulls together all the details: date, post type, reach, impressions, and engagement rate. Sometimes you want to dig into the nitty-gritty, and this lets you quickly spot patterns, like if reels posted on weekends tend to get higher engagement. Now, what insights come out of all this? Well, you'll often find that reels have a much broader reach than images or carousels. Your engagement rate helps spotlight which types of interaction are making the biggest difference, and follower growth shows you if your best-performing posts are actually bringing new people into your community. Maybe that one clever reel you made brought in a bunch of new followers. Now you can prove it. And that's it. Building an Instagram reach analysis dashboard in Power BI gives you real clarity over your content strategy. If you learned something new today or have a question about any step, drop a comment below. I love hearing how you're applying this. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.